Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It appears there may be trouble in paradise for Monica and Corey C. Murder Miller after the singer recently shared a video disclosing how she needs to go back to the streets following a failed attempt at love. The pair, whose love story began in the late 1990s after being introduced by rapper Foxy Brown, would split before the rapper married to his now ex-wife Dionne Miller in 1999. Although details surrounding Monica and Corey's breakup are limited, the exes kept in contact over the years even after the New Orleans native was sentenced to life in prison for the murder of Stephen Thomas. In the Instagram video shared on September 11, Monica, who wore an all-brown ensemble, was seen mounting the words to a track by an unidentified male. The track said, "DN, man, I thought I found the one. I got to have a grand reopening." In addition to the clip, the 41-year-old expressed in the caption how much fun she had creating the upload. Monica wrote, "Lil Sunday humor. LOL, God bless all you all grand reopenings." As fans viewed the recording, many flooded her comment section with remarks about Corey. A handful of individuals questioned the current relationship status between Corey and Monica. Someone said, "I hope this doesn't mean her and C. Murder broke up again." Someone else said, "C ain't having that." One commenter wrote, "Dang, you done with C. Murder." And other person said, "No, my favorite love story? You mean to tell me that even the incarcerated are full of ST too?" One person said, "I'm about to go hell, C. Murder." Among the previous remarks on Instagram, user told the so-gone vocalist not to settle for less. That person wrote, "As you should, don't settle for less than that queen treatment, sis." Since then, no additional details have been released.